Hi and welcome. I am here today with HUAWEI P40 and I'll be showing you how to take screenshots without pressing any buttons. First we have to go to the settings and here we need to find accessibility features. Go to shortcuts and gestures, take screenshot, and as you can see we can choose between screenshot, which to make it we have to knock twice on the screen with a knuckle. We can knock our knuckle on the screen and draw an enclosed area to capture the part of the screen, and we can also draw an S to take a screenshot. So let's go with the first one. So now if we go to the home screen we can simply knock twice. Whoops. Oh, come on. Oh, as you can see we have taken a screenshot by knocking on our phone twice. So that's everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.